Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, March the 21st, 2023. Yeah, it's spring. Today's spring. Well, today not so good news. We have only one regular Sudoku, Medium Sudoku. There's in this newspaper no extra puzzles. No extra puzzles. Let me show you. Well, then I need to find a solution. So I will solve one old puzzle that's not completed. Yeah, it's the second day in a row. We have no extra puzzles. Look, this is the last page. Yeah, no extra puzzles. All right. I have here an old puzzle, of March the 10th. Yeah, March the 10th. Three regular puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic. Yeah, tectonic with 1 star. Alright, this I will do in the evening, but first let me start with this Medium Sudoku. Oh, apologies. Having troubles with my tripod. Come on. Yeah. This one will be 6149. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me put the number first, the numbering. 6149. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Is this real or 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. The one in this column, the one in that column. So the column between middle column, no need 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the last column. 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright. Okay. I cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Insufficient information. Yeah. Insufficient information. Right now. Need to wait. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between. The second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Here or there. We see a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row above, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Okay. Then. How about the number? The 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Alright. 7. Okay. Then. Let me see. How about the number 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 4, 8, 9. 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9, 3, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. These 2 boxes in this row. So the 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the middle row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. So now 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. And a 9 is missing here, 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 9. Let me see. 7. And now. How about the number 97888? Come on. 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 6. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 in this box. Here, 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in the second row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 3 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 4 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4, the 9, 4, the 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the third column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Cannot fill those yet. Need to wait. Alright. Then. 1. How about 3, 3, 9, 4. Yeah, I'm thinking. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the third column, there are only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Okay. And now. How about 4, 6, 8, 2, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the first row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 4, 8, 7, 4, 8, 7. Then 2, 6, 4. Well, we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 7 goes there. The 1 in the third column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Then 4, 9, 7. I need a 7. 7. Yeah, 7 in this row. We have 2 missing numbers. Wait, 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes at there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 8. Alright, 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here, 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third column, the 4 and the 9. 4 and the 9 are missing. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9, of course. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row. The 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. Yes, it's definitely 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other 3 puzzles. Today. It's an old puzzle. I think, Friday, March the 10th. Well, see you then on this beautiful day, spring day, first spring day of the year. Until then, bye-bye for now.